Hello everybody, and welcome to my tutorial for the reading log system. The system is pretty simple and very easy to set up. There are just 3 steps that you need to do. Once you make your copy and you open the Setup tab, you just need to copy the URL of the spreadsheet that you created, copy and then paste it right here in D6. Then you're going to click this link to make a copy of the reading log template that I have right here. That will be your own template. You just copy the URL for the reading log template and paste it here in D7. And then the last thing to do is to create a folder where you will store the reading logs. And so I created this folder. And then you copy the URL for the folder and you paste it right here. Now you can go to the Student Roster tab. And in the Student Roster tab is where you will create the reading log for each student. So if we want to add a reading log for a student named Tommy Test, you'll put in his name and his student email address so that it can be shared with him. And then you click this button that says Create Google Docs. The script will run. You will have to authorize the permissions the first time you run it, and then after that it will run by itself every time. Once it creates the reading log, the link will appear here, so it's always easy for you to open up Tommy's reading log, and it will look like this. So each day, before the students work on their reading log, you'll click the button that says Update Today's Date, and that will put the current date into each reading log. And we'll see that that's going to update here in just a moment. So the current date is there, and then the student can fill out the reading log with the name of the book, the number of pages they read, the author, how many minutes they read, and then their reading log response. And this would be whatever criteria you give them. If they had someone helping them with the reading log, you can put in that person's name, and then either you or the person who helped them with the reading log can give them a score on comprehension, writing accuracy, and independence. So that would be 4, that would be 3, and maybe a 2, whatever it is. And then when the student is finished, they can just close out this log, and then you in your sheet would click the button that says Save Today's Logs. Once you have saved the log, it will pull all that information from the reading log back into your master sheet so that you always have that information. And then it will put a folder for each student here, and the students' saved reading logs will be in this folder. So you can see that this student, this was his reading log from October 3rd. Then you can look at the student overview, and you can choose any of your students, and it will give you a chart that updates automatically as logs are entered and give visual data about their comprehension, writing accuracy, and independence. And you can also click where it says student log and choose a student, choose a date, and the log will show for that student and that day. And that is pretty much the whole thing. I hope you enjoy it and can get some use out of it.